Welcome to Martin Horn's collaboration platform. On the Start page, you will see all of the projects you've been invited to. You can open multiple projects at once, or you can toggle between them on the project page. In the project page, the first page you'll see is the My Actions page. This screen will show you all items that are in your court and sort them by due date for you. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Collaboration menu. This is how you navigate between tools in the system. Project contacts provide you with a list of the contacts on the project. You can search by name, or you can find team members' contact information, such as phone numbers and emails. In the email column, you can click on an address and it will automatically prompt to write an email to that person for you. On the Drawings page, you will see all of the most recent drawings for the project. You can keyword search drawing titles, or you can filter by version or discipline. There are other filter options, but Martin Horn recommends filtering by the first two. The Group By function allows you to sort drawings by a filter type. You can turn it off by clicking Group By, or turn it back on by clicking on your desired filter type. You also have the ability to change your view of the drawings between thumbnail grid or detailed list. In both views, you can collapse items in the Group By categories. To view a drawing, click on it. It will open the selected sheet. To navigate through sheets one by one, click the arrows at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, you can navigate between revisions. To view details, click the detail markers lighted in blue. They will route you to the correct detail sheet. The Drawings viewer has plenty of tools you can use. The Pan tool lets you grab the drawings and move them around the screen. The Multi-Select tool allows you to select and emphasize text or select multiple markups at once. All annotations are private until published. Once published, other team members can see them. You can link items to the drawings and edit them using the menu at the bottom of the screen for the selected annotation. The Shapes tool allows you to select a shape and add it to the drawing. The bar at the top of the screen allows you to edit the appearance of the shape. To link to an annotation, click Link, and then select the item you wish to link. In this case, we are linking an RFI. The system will prompt you to select the record you want. That record will now be accessible from the drawing screens. Remember, to make it public, you must click Publish. But since this is a demo, I will delete the annotation. The Measurements tool lets us get rough measurements scaled from the drawings. First, you will want to define the scale. In the Scale drop-down menu, click Add Scale. Define its parameters and click Done. In the top left corner, select the measurement type, length, border, or area. When you click and drag the line, you will see a magnifying glass appear on the right side of the screen. This is to help you pinpoint where the measurement will end. Like other annotations, you can change the appearance of the measurement in the bar at the top of the screen. Other tools include highlighter, pen, text box, and clouds. There is a note tool. This is different than a text box tool in that it can be minimized and expanded. This increases visibility of the drawing sheet as you're working in it. To make a note or any annotation public, you must publish it. Otherwise, it will remain private and only visible to you. In the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, there are more tools and options. Sheet Comparison is an overlay tool built into CMYC. Select the drawings you wish to overlay. In this example, I am overlaying different revisions of the same sheet. As you can see, these documents did not align correctly, and I must click Align Documents again. The system will now prompt you to manually pick 3 points from each drawing. We recommend outside corners because they are easy to remember and scale well with the plans. There is a magnifying glass on the right side of the screen to help you navigate and hit corners exactly where you want as you are selecting those 3 points. And voila! Now you can export this overlay as a PDF. If you click the 3 dots in the upper right corner, then select Download. If for some reason you need to realign points after this point, you can click Reset and it will prompt you again. Also, in the upper right menu, you will see an item called Details. This will open a screen with detailed information on that specific sheet, including revisions and dates uploaded. One of the last tools I'll mention is that we do have the ability to upload photos to a drawing sheet, if desired. Moving on, the Documents tool is a filing system for all the documents available in CMYC. The Submittals folder is a wonderful example. All attachments in CMYC automatically get routed into a filing folder. In this folder, you can see any attachment added to a submittal record in the system and view it here. You can switch from the thumbnail grid to the detailed list just like in the Drawings tool. You can also define what columns you wish to show in the detail list view. There is the ability to sort by dates as well if desired. There are plenty of filters that can be used as needed. To view a document, click on the record. On the screen, you will see a document viewer open that allows you to review the document. If a revision has been added, you can toggle between revisions in the same way that you can drawings in the top left-hand corner. There are plenty of markup tools that you're free to use if you wish. The Submittals page. In this page, you can see the columns of information for each record. The number, the name, its status, who sent it, who will review it, and the submittal's type. Before we go any farther, you will want to make sure your filter is clear. Click Filter in the upper right corner. Click Clear, and then click Apply Filter. Reopen the filter and click Save as Default. This ensures that any time you open the screen moving forward in the project, the filter will remain cleared and will not impact what you see. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see some submittals that have an orange flag next to them. This lets you know that this is a new record and you have not seen it yet. To view a submittal, click on the record. In the submittal, you will see the name, type, status. You will also see scheduled details, and most importantly, the reviewer table. This table will show you whose ball in court the submittal is and when it is due by. Beneath that, you can see all of the attachments for the record. These can also be seen in the Attachments tab at the top of the screen. There is also a section for notes or comments if they're needed throughout the submittal review process. If a submittal is in your court and a response is needed, you will see a response box like this at the top of the record. Here, you can select your response and click Complete Review. To print a submittal into Word, click Print Report. Select the Martin Horn option, click Print, and then click Run Report. A Word file will be generated. This is a good way to get the cover sheet, but there is a better way to get the entire submittal. Click Quick Print. The system will print out a PDF of the cover sheet and the submittal attachments for your use. On the left side of the screen, you will see a list of submittal numbers in the collaboration menu. From here, you can quickly navigate between records. The RFI screen opens with a log of all project RFIs. You can see their name, their number, and status. To open an RFI, click the record. Here, you can see the name, status, and due date. You can also see all the recipients of the RFI. Beneath the Contacts window, there is a box for the RFI question. Next to it is the Suggestion box. The Suggestion box is a field that Martin Horn uses if they have a potential answer or idea or suggestion for that RFI. Further down is the Answer box. This is where architects and engineers can enter their formal responses. Beside that text box, you can see the cost and schedule impact data if applicable. At the bottom of the screen, there are areas for linked items, attachments, and notes. The Notes function should be used for all RFI communication that is not the formal answer. To print an RFI, click the three dots in the upper right corner. Click Reports. Click Add Reports. Select the Master Martin Horn report. Click Next. Add the recipients of the report and add a subject and body to the message. Click Submit. Once the report has been prepared, a box will pop up at the bottom of the screen. This means the report was sent. You will find the report in your inbox momentarily. As you navigate this system, please do not hesitate to reach out with questions. We are happy to help. We recommend saving the start page as a bookmark for easy access throughout the project. Thank you for collaborating with Martin Horn.